Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have the Lavor snow foam bottle. You'll notice it's got the Lavor bayonet adapter on. So for all your Lavor domestic pressure washers, remove the lance and then snap in to the trigger gun this snow foam bottle. It features a 700ml bottle, so fill it up in there. Push the filter and the drain pipe back inside it, attach it to your trigger gun, and you'll notice on the end of the lance here there's a variable nozzle, so you can twist the end, and that allows you to focus either a very directional nozzle straight onto your vehicle, or indeed you can twist it and have a really wide fan jet as well, whichever you prefer. The yellow knob on the top allows you to vary the volume of snow foam that you want to get coming through the through your nozzle, through your pressure washer. So say that's fully adjustable there, and that's the Lavor snow foam bottle.